It is your favorite little brown girl, the green hair. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and also put on the post notifications so you guys can get notified on every time I post. Woo woo. So today we will be making my special and most favorite sprinkle cookies, and I think this is a perfect recipe for anyone that wants an activity to do with their kids or just in general. So keep on watching.
I'm a high girl. I'm a high girl. I'm a high girl. I'm a high girl. It is what it is, it's a fast start. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it. It's a hot girl summer, 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 so you know she got it lit. She's a hot girl summer, hot girl summer, hot girl summer, hot girl summer. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. It's a hot girl summer, 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 so you know she got it lit. She's a hot girl summer, 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 hot girl summer. Handle me, who gon' handle me? 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 It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Handle me, who gon' handle me? 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 I'm a high girl, so you know it's stopping.